In this video, I'll show you how to customize the buttons on Control Center of your iPhone 16, 16 Plus, Pro and Pro Max. So what you need to do is to first of all go into Control Center by sliding from the top right corner like this. And then you have to keep press somewhere where there's no icons. In my case over here, there's nothing, it's empty, so I'll keep press until I see these icons having each of them a small, I don't know how to call it, a small nudge. From here, you can remove them by clicking the minus button. So over here, let's say I don't want this QR code scanner. I'll click the minus and it will go away, just like any apps. And you can also add any new icons there on your control center by clicking add a control. And from here, you have many of them. Some of them can be bigger, not only a small button. For example, home can take up to 4 spaces. Once you found something that you want to add, simply tap on it and it will be placed right over there. And from here you can drag it if you prefer having it first. You know, the icons will rearrange themselves, and some of them you're able to make them bigger simply by dragging the corner. You see, silent mode can be a big silent mode button if you prefer this, so it's easier for you to press. And the good part about this is you can also customize the other control center screen. So if you swipe down, you have this for your music and other ones here. Again, just keep press anywhere where it's blank and you'll be able to adjust these. Okay, you can add controls, do many different things. You see, you can even have one more page with whatever you prefer. If, let's say, at work, you have some specific controls that you're using just in that situation, you can have a page just for them. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.